Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and confirming basics. Attach your camera to the plate and remove the lens cap so balance is accurate. Once done, center the lens and tighten the plate screws so nothing shifts during movement. Make sure the Ronin Rs3 battery is above 50% and that the Ronin app and firmware are updated. This prevents calibration errors and adds newer tuning profiles. Now position the gimbal on a level surface and open the app to begin motor auto-tune. Next, use the Ronin app to run auto-tune motors. Tap device, then auto-tune motors and follow the prompts. You will see the Rs3 move through axes while measuring torque. This tunes motor strength to your payload. Pay attention to motor noise and temperature. If you hear grinding or motors exceed 65 degrees Celsius, cancel and rebalance the camera. Once auto-tune finishes, make a small test pan and tilt to confirm stability. Then save the new profile in the app. Finish by performing IMU calibration. Place the Rs3 flat and follow the app countdown so sensors realign. This removes drift and improves horizon hold. Then fine-tune deadband, smooth track, and PID values to match your shooting style. Lower deadband for snappier response, higher for smooth motion. If issues persist, rebalance the payload, inspect for loose lens or plate contact, and reinstall firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent drift usually means a bad balance or incomplete IMU calibration, so repeat those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.